Growing potatoes in containers is a practical and space-saving method, especially for those with limited garden space. Here's how to grow potatoes in containers. 1. Select in containers. Choose large containers with a minimum volume of 5 gallons 19 liters and a depth of at least 12 inches 30 centimeters. You can use plastic pots, fabric grow bags, or even repurposed containers like buckets or barrels. Ensure the containers have drainage holes at the bottom to prevent waterlogging. And a mix of potting soil, compost, and perlite or vermiculite works well. Fill the containers with the potting mix, leaving a few inches of space at the top. 2. Choosing seed potatoes. Purchase certified disease-free seed potatoes from a reputable source or use sprouted potatoes from the grocery store. Cut larger seed potatoes into pieces, ensuring each piece has at least 1 or 2 eyes sprouts. Let the cut pieces dry for a day before planting. 3. Planting potatoes. Place 2 to 3 seed potatoes or potato pieces in each container, spacing them evenly. Plant them about 4 to 6 inches 10 to 15 centimeters deep in the potting mix. Ensure the eyes sprouts are facing upward. For watering, water the containers thoroughly after planting to settle the soil. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged throughout the growing season. Water whenever the top inch to 0.5 centimeters of soil feels dry to the touch. 5. Placement. Place the containers in a sunny location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Potatoes require plenty of sunlight to grow and develop tubers. 6. Placement. Place the containers in a sunny location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Potatoes require plenty of sunlight to grow and develop tubers. 7. Hilling. As the potato plants grow, gradually add more potting mix around the stems to cover them. This process is called hilling and helps to protect the developing tubers from sunlight and promotes higher yields. Continue hilling the plants every few weeks as they grow. 8. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced fertilizer or organic compost every few weeks during the growing season to provide essential nutrients for healthy growth and tuber development. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for application rates. 9. Harvesting. Potatoes are typically ready for harvest when the tops begin to yellow and die back, usually 10 to 12 weeks after planting. Carefully dig up the potatoes from the containers using a garden fork or your hands. Allow the potatoes to cure in a cool, dry place for a few days before storing them.